In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Claude Code. We'll walk through getting Claude Code enabled from the official site, step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Claude AI and press enter. This is the quickest way to get to the official page if you don't have it bookmarked. In the results, click the official Claude website. You'll know you're in the right place when the address shows Claude AI and the design matches Anthropic's product pages. Once the site loads, you can open a fresh chat at claude.ai/new. Look to the left side of the screen for the sidebar. If you don't see it right away, there's usually a menu or hamburger icon you can click to reveal it. In that sidebar, find and select Code. This is the entry point to Claude Code, which provides an AI-assisted coding experience inside Claude's interface. At this point, you'll see that Claude Code is available with the paid plans. Both the Pro and Max plans include access, with different usage limits and model availability. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. You can upgrade monthly and adjust later if your work changes. Before you proceed, review the terms and conditions and click the agreement checkbox to confirm you accept them. It's a small step, but it's required to enable the subscription. Then click subscribe to activate your plan. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete checkout securely. When the subscription is confirmed, the features tied to your plan are unlocked on your account. Depending on your region, pricing and taxes may vary, and you can manage or cancel your plan from account settings at any time. If you're using a work or school account, make sure you have permission to upgrade before subscribing. Now return to the main Claude page. Open the sidebar again and click Code. You should see the Claude Code workspace available and ready to use. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page to pick up your new plan status. In some cases, signing out and back in can also help the interface update. That's the full process. Search for the official Claude site, open the sidebar, choose Code, pick a qualifying plan, accept the agreement, and subscribe. From here, you can start experimenting with code generation, debugging, and file-aware assistance directly in Claude. Keep your browser updated and consider pinning Claude to your bookmarks so you can get back to Claude Code quickly. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with Claude Code.